Hello vlog.
Hello.
So high, I'm floating, I'm shining in my prime. Start rolling over 'cause you can't take my crown. I'll always be 10 feet off the ground. My crown. I'll always be 10 feet off the ground. Can't take my crown. Can't take my crown.
So, we don't actually have any plans today and it is currently 4 o'clock in the afternoon.
Bank holiday Monday.
It is. I wasn't actually going to vlog today and then Lee was saying, well, it's kind of just real life at the moment and no one's really doing anything and we're just chilling out in the garden and I think we're going to just go for a drive just to get out of the house a bit.
Yeah.
I think it's just how it is for everyone at the moment, so
It's a hard
why
one.
not
Yeah.
show real life how it is, so...
And because we're in this period where we want to save for a house, I'm sure there's a lot of people out there which are like us where you're limited to what you can do, especially at the moment, trying to figure out what to do to keep yourself entertained.
Yeah,
So,
well, I've actually been having a really nice day. I've just been sitting out in the garden. You can probably tell I'm a little bit red at the moment, but it will just go brown, it's fine. Reading my new book. It's not a new book. I've actually had it since holiday last year, but I kind of read the first maybe like 5 chapters and then didn't get any further with it. So I'm reading it again now. I'll show you what book it is in a minute. Really good. And listening to like this music, I was saying to Lee, it's like background music. It just makes you feel really content. So
Yeah.
that's been nice. And Lee's been playing his games.
yeah, play a bit of FIFA, a bit of Call
Yeah.
of Duty.
And I'm about to have a sausage roll made by Lee's mum and a boiled egg. Yum. Hello. Yeah, so this is the book that I'm reading at the moment. It's called Secrets by Freya North. I think it's actually quite an old book. Yeah, I think it's been out for quite a long time. I don't know how you find out when it came out, but it's really, really good. It's about a lady who has a little girl. She just wants to escape London because of some secrets that we still don't actually know about. And she goes and lives in a big house, being like the housekeeper for the man that lives there. And then they've got a little thing, but it's not a thing. And yeah, I don't know. It's really good though. Yeah, and the playlist that I'm listening to, in case you were interested, it's called Reading Music Instrumentals. It looks like this, just in case you're interested. It's got all these, but they're just really like good background songs to have playing while you're reading or writing or whatever it is that you're doing. They just make you feel really content, especially sitting out in the sunshine and reading and listening to that. But yeah, also, if you haven't checked out Lee's video that he put up on both Instagram and his Facebook, check it out. I'll put his little Instagram tag thing here. He's singing Alandria by Foo Fighters and it's sick. How cute is this ice cream? I don't know what it is. Sandwich? Neapolitan. Wow, I've never had anything like this. Yum. We are off for a little drive. We don't really know where we're going. We like just driving around. Nice to get out, see some different views to your garden.
Izzy got some good news. You managed to land yourself in an interview, didn't you?
Yeah, I have got an interview for a job. So yeah, I'm quite
probably
pleased about that.
Yeah, that's probably the main aim at the moment.
Yeah.
Whereas I've got some naff news.
Yeah.
I'm no closer to getting my tooth fixed. They put that back, which is annoying because it's not going to be a simple fix.
No.
So I was hoping it would be. So yeah, I've got a little while to wait now to get that fixed.
Well, 3rd of July, and then we'll see if it gets moved back again. That's the next date, so fingers crossed. Right, I have no idea why we're doing this, but we're currently driving to Dover. It's not actually horrendously far from where we are, but the Disney Magic cruise ship is currently in the dock there, and we kind of want to go and see if we can see it, just out of the excitement of it being a Disney cruise ship.
Exactly.
That's so cool.
That is cool.
So we're driving there to go and see if it's there. This is so exciting. We're literally at Folkestone and we just drove be going back to Disneyland.
There's something about Disneyland Paris. You know what I mean? It's weird.
Yeah, it's my childhood.
Different to America.
Yeah.
Like the language and...
I will always love Disneyland Paris. Yeah, if anybody recognises what this means, la Catherine Dimanche, comment down below. It's a ride phrase. But yeah. Guys! It's huge! It's the bloody Disney cruise liner! Wow! It's Disney Magic! How exciting! I know it's so bumpy, but there it is, guys! And we're also, this is the White Cliffs of Dover, right next to us, right here. Look, you see the white? This is so cool! I'm so excited. Oh my god!
Wow, that's big.
It's huge! There he is! Look at little Mickey on the top! Just make sure you don't accidentally go into the port.
No thanks, we're not going to get very far.
We're not going to get very far. Let's very...
Good one.
Oh my god, that's so cool. There he is!
And what we can see, it comes from Portugal.
Just over there, guys. It's nice. How cool is that? That's like basically Calais. Fun, maybe slightly lame fact about me is I actually love visiting castles. I love it. How exciting.
Try and get behind the boat and have a little look.
This is crazy. They're literally playing Happily Ever After off of the ship right now. You actually can't hear it probably because it's so quiet, but there's still people on here. I wonder if you can hear it.
Goofy.
Disney Magic with Goofy painting it on. That is so cool. Oh my god, I can't believe they're playing Happily Ever After on the cruise ship. That is so cool. We're gonna walk up and see around the side. That is so cute. Oh my god. There it is. That's so cool. I wish I could go up super close to it. I want to go on it. They've literally got Goofy hanging off. That's so cute. And all the portholes, I was just saying to Leah, remind me of the Disney Magical Express with their little holes in their windows. That's so cool. There's actually people on there still, which I think is I can literally see people in the restaurant. Look, ready? There they are. How weird is that? And the water slide going off the side there. So cool. Maybe one day we'll go on it. So seeing the Disney Magic cruise ship really brought back all the feels of like going on a Disney holiday.
So we've booked the trip.
No, we haven't. We'd like to one day like do the thing where you go to Florida, do Disney World, and then have like a weekend out of it where you go on a cruise ship to one of their islands. That'd be well cool. But we had quite a lot of comments and messages saying that from the last Disney vlog, they were gutted that we didn't include the actual fridge tour from our room. So I'm going to chuck it in now so you can all see what you were desperate to see of our Florida fridge tour.
Yeah. If you're ready, take a little tour. We have some American, I can't believe it's not butter. We've got, now, this is a discovery I made. This is Tostitos. It is made with real cheese, as you can see, medium, salsa con queso. Now this is a dip which goes with the accompany crisp, which are like scoops, as you can see. And that tastes like the inside of a Burger King chili cheese dipper, so very nice. Buenos, which have probably gone off now, but oh, they went, no, I'm told, no, they haven't gone off. We have some American Hillshire Farm oven roasted turkey breast and honey ham. Not a fan of the ham, but the turkey is very nice. This is some milk, the equivalent to our semi-skimmed, reduced to fat. These, my friends, are pot stickers, which I asked to take away at Ohana because they gave us so many, and they're the best things I've probably tasted. They're incredible, but they do smell quite bad actually. We also got these Starbucks Frappuccinos, which are apparently delicious. In all fairness, I've had one now, quite nice. And then there's a little bottle of wine from the plane, which Izzy hasn't drunk. But then, what we've got here, Satsumas. We've been had a couple of options for breakfast. We've got some drumsticks, classic vanilla. Oh, these new rooms have coffee machines now as well, which is really cool. But the cocoa machine up in the lobby ran out, so we grabbed 3 pouches, but apparently they're not as good. So yeah, you got your, I did Joffrey's coffee, which actually is really nice. Disney coffee, very good. Coffee mate milk. Oh, butterbeer mug. We've got, oh, this is not in the fridge now, this is just the dryer. This is the cupboard. Chocolate chip Pop-Tarts. Izzy never had Pop-Tarts and now she does like them. We've got, this is Izzy's purchase. What are these? What are these? The Japanese one. They're mochi, but basically they are a powdery chocolate sort of outer with a chocolate gooey in it. We've got some toffee popcorn, but this was from the German pavilion in Epcot, where they did the Werther's is very good. Caramel Kush. Chewing gum that is so we need to buy that we've actually not opened. Right, what we've got here. These are the golden Oreo. They've been quite successful with me. But yeah, so they're good. And then we got another box of frosted sugar cookies. We don't have at home, but they're really nice. Don't know what it tastes like. Just like icing on top. And then this here is like a cake biscuit. Very strange. I'll tell you what we have been drinking. We bought Hawaiian Punch. These sachets that I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm not a huge fan, only because I'm up my Robinsons, the normal blackcurrant orange squash. These are a bit more for the people that like to push the boat out a bit, whereas I'm gonna rein the boat in and some blackcurrant squash. So that is what's in our fridge. I hope you enjoyed today's episode.
So there you have it. That was all the exciting stuff that was in our fridge.
Yep.
All the unhealthy foods, but I miss it so much. If anyone knows, are the people that are on that cruise ship, are they people like passengers that have got stuck on it because of the situation, or are they just workers? Because I'm pretty sure I saw a kid on there. Yeah. So I don't know. Yeah. I didn't realise that people were still on there.
Exactly. If you've been on it, let us know, because it's really cool. We've never been on a cruise ship, and I've never been that close to a cruise ship either.
No.
It looks smaller than what I expected.
But then we weren't right up the side of it. But yeah, Disney magic. I don't know if anybody else does this. We're listening to Happily Ever After, like the Parcel Show soundtrack right now, and I am literally bawling my eyes out. Like I can barely talk because it just makes you want to be back there so badly.
Yeah, I like it as well.
And it's just something about the Disney music, it just gets me so bad. Oh.
Especially now, I just want to be in that bubble again. Do you know what I mean?
know, because the world is such a crazy place right now. It just makes you want to be in the Disney bubble even more.
All I want right now is just grab my resort mug and hear that noise.
Oh, I miss it so bad. We actually seem like Disney crazies because it's feel like it's all we ever talk about. But you go and then you can't get enough of it.
So when we went to Paris, when I got with Izzy really wanted to go back there from her childhood. So we went there for her birthday. We went to Paris, we loved it, it was amazing. Then when I got an annual pass and went another 4 times, then I said to Izzy, why don't we try and go to Florida? Because I'd always wanted to go there because my family had been like my cousin of God, and I'd really wanted to go. And I was supposed to go when I was a young kid, we didn't go in the end. So we then booked to go. Izzy was not fond of the idea at all.
I don't know what it was, I just had never really wanted to go to America in general. So at first I was like, oh, I don't know, I'm not really too fussed. And then all of a sudden, I don't know what happened, we were watching vlogs and stuff, I think.
Yeah, and
I was like, I've got to go, I want to go so bad. And then we ordered all the like brochures and stuff and the planning book from Disney and that, and we were like, that's it.
2 copies of it.
Yeah, we did.
We should really do a video on that and speak about how we went about actually booking it for the first time.
Let us know in the comments if you would like us to do a video about that. Hello. I am actually not as red as I look because the lighting's quite yellow in here. Yeah. I look literally like a tomato. That is crazy. Don't I? I look so... I'm really not that red in person. We have just spent the last hour watching vlogs about the Disney Cruise Line. We're currently watching Tim Tracker's ones.
Yeah, just to see what it's like on board.
Yeah, I'm quite enjoying watching them. So.
It's weird, isn't it?
Yeah.
I'd like to go on a cruise. I can only do a week max, but they're just so expensive.
Yeah, even like 3 days is like 1.4 thousand. Yeah. That's crazy.
Yeah. But if you watched our Q&A vlog, you'd know that one place we both really want to go is to Norway, to the fjords, and they actually do a trip from Dover
to the fjords in Norway. Yeah, a 7-day trip, and it's like $3.5 grand per person, right?
Crazy. Yeah. I'd like to try a cruise. I'd be nervous, would you?
Yeah, because is it Jen? Is that her name?
Yeah.
Yeah, she's been saying the whole time that she's like really nervous about being on it and just being out at sea with nothing else around, and I think I would be exactly the same. So Lee's probably going to play some Xbox with his brother and possibly your cousin.
Yeah.
And I'm probably going to get ready and just have a little
chill,
snuggle in bed, maybe read a bit more of my book.
Been watching some BHF, haven't we?
Yeah, we love that series.
Really good.
Yeah.
I recommend it, it's good.
Yeah,
Good
it's
fun.
so cringy, but it's really cute,
Yeah.
so we like it. But I'm probably going to end the vlog here. I know it's been a really short one, but you know, it's something, isn't it? So yeah, thank you so much for watching as usual. Please do give the video a thumbs up and comment and subscribe if you're not already, and turn the notification bell on, and follow us over on Instagram, and we will see you again very soon. Good night.